Today is July 17th July 17th, 2020 at approximately let's say roughly about 8:30. And I'm making this video because we have about 73 more days until we get a hearing from the Supreme Court. The case is interesting because this case is the U.S. Supreme Court case number 19-1289. And today was a day of I lost my Twitter account. It's my Twitter account's going to be capital G, capital A, capital B, E, small e, Navides 1. And today Twitter blocked me out. Mr. Bezos, that motherfucker is a Hispanic, but he's a fucking billionaire protecting fucking the communist pigs that are attacking us. Mr. Bezos, yeah, You don't know what freedom of speech is, man? Come on, man. You know, you got your fucking billion, you're worth a fucking $1 billion, but then you're fucking picking on me and locking my account out because I can't speak to these fucking idiots that are attacking Americans. Come on, man. I know you got a lot of fucking money, but goddamn it, man. Share the goddamn wealth, man. Anyway, Mr. FBI agent, I know you're trying to kill me because time's coming up. It's 73 more days. 73 more days. And the judge will hear the case. It will hear a verdict. Because you're attacking Americans like a bunch of fucking cowards. You got me implanted, tracking, torturing Americans with your fucking satellite weapons. Fucking cowards, man. You know? And now we're all finding out what's going on, what the real truth is. The real truth is you've been stalking and tracking Americans with this COVID-19 satellite weapon, you know, issued by the NIH, conspired by Dr. Fauci. And, you know, you're trying to cover up his fucking blackmailing the president and shit, you know, well, you should be investigating this, man. You guys are sorry, man. You guys are sad, man. And the country's gonna know what kind of turncoats you are. You know, you don't fucking torture Americans with, you know, and kill people. I mean, it's why we have courtrooms, you know. Folks, I really want to stress this. I'm healthy and strong. The VA. I was at the Frank Tejeda Clinic a couple of weeks ago, and I talked to Dr. Araya, and he said, "Yeah, you're healthy." You know, I went to a pathologist. He took my blood. I'm healthy. My blood pressure a day before yesterday was 117/74. Took it again at 116/68. So, I mean, my blood pressure is good. The blood labs are good. But the FBI, you know, are trying to block my fucking freedom of speech because they want to kill me off before this fucking court case. Because they know when it goes to fucking court, what's going to happen. They're going to have to show up to court, man. You're going to have to fucking divulge yourself, Mr. FBI agent. And you too, probably CIA. The FBI has a fucking duty to investigate all this crime that's going on. And Mr. Dr. Fauci, you too, you'll have your day in court, Mr. Fauci. Don't you worry about it. You know, we were American people. We don't deserve to be treated like fucking animals when stalked by fucking satellite weapons. You know, we have the right to defend ourselves. We can't go buy a fucking satellite and start attacking you back with a satellite weapon. I mean, that would be nice. But the government what runs the launching these fucking rockets up there. So, like I said, I'm healthy and strong. We're hoping to get a court case, a court set hearing, and hopefully a trial. I don't want to just take the bag of money and run. I want these fuckers to stand up and testify what the fuck's going on. And if they don't, they're going to get sued again because we need to sue the right people and create justice and create an open court for this. They did it back in 1975 with Frank Church and the Frank Church Committee. They need to do this again because this is not right. You don't treat people like this, man. This is a weapon of fucking war, not a weapon of fucking torture and treason. Okay? If you want information, look at www.targetedjustice.com. I got my handle back. My handle is capital G, capital A, Benavides, number 2. I got my handle back, and I'm going back in there because they have no reason to stop freedom of speech. And if Jeff Bezos doesn't watch out, we're going to sue his ass in court, and we're going to sue him with a what's called we'll probably set up I'll probably set up a class action suit against Mr. Bezos and have people come in the courtroom and testify because he should not be blocking freedom of speech. If you're going to block freedom of speech and you're going to censor fucking people, you better censor the whole goddamn people that are fucking coming up to using your account and your Twitter account. You don't just censor one people. What about the fucking inquiry? The fucking inquiry, you got a bunch of idiots saying, "Oh, JFK, his grandmother's alive. She walked over for the..." I mean, you can't say that. If you're going to fucking censor everybody, you better censor the fucking inquiry too. Thank you and God bless.